short break. I feel like I'm always taking breaks. Good afternoon, guys. I am breathing hard because I have not worked out since August of last year. Mia's feeding therapist did text me to ask if we were gonna go tomorrow, and at first I was like, okay, she's better, because she's doing a lot better, you guys. There's like some weird mucusy stuff coming out of her venting tube, so I went ahead and just gave her the antibiotics, and that was the first night in a while that she had slept pretty well. And she slept really well last night. I mean, I don't think she woke up at all except to eat. So something was definitely bothering her in her stomach, and maybe just started getting infected around her button. So she's doing better. That whole like redness cleared up. I forgot to show you guys the hairdryer thing that I bought. This is like that Revlon one that was like super hyped up, but it's actually from Bedhead, because the Revlon one got more reviews, but the reviews were like mediocre, whereas this got less reviews, but all the reviews were really good. So I tried it yesterday, and dude, this thing gets so hot, and I didn't use a heat protectant, so my hair got really frizzy. But what would normally take me almost 45 minutes to dry with a regular hair dryer, it took me about 10 minutes to dry my hair from damp to completely dry. So so far so good. My only thing is, definitely get a heat protectant if you're gonna get it, but 9 out of 10, just simply because I think it gets a little too hot. But yeah, I really like it, and it's gonna really help me on the days that I have to rush to therapy and stuff. Alright, so I secured one shoe, but my dog has taken the other shoe somewhere, and I think I spot it right over there. This girl is taking a killer nap, and I'm so happy. Oh, she just ate, so gotta button that back up. It takes me like 5 minutes to recover from onion cutting, but dang, those are some strong ass onions. The struggle is real, you guys. The struggle is real. Last clip I attempted to unscrew the thing, but I couldn't do it, so That was a fail. That's way low. Alright, you guys, so I don't really have anything else planned except for eating dinner and cleaning up after. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you want to continue to follow me on this journey, and we'll see you in the next one. Say bye, Mama. Bye.